Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bambang Trede Putra from class 1B from English Education Department, University of Mataram. So in this video, I will discuss an interesting topic, namely the impact of social media on interpersonal communication. Okay, first about introduce social media has affected the way we communicate in many ways. One of them is the change in language style on platforms like Twitter and Instagram. The limited number of characters make us inclined to use abbreviation or even invent new words. In addition, social media has also integrated visual element in communication, and we can see a change in the spread of communication. Okay, the second I will talking about the impact of language on social media. As we know, by looking at how social media has affected our language, we will discuss change in language styles and the common use of abbreviation on this platform. There is a lot of terms we can use to say something. Example like by the way. We can typing on the keyboard like B, T, and W. And next example like on the way, we can typing on the keyboard O, T, and W. In Instagram that we know if we want chat our friend that's called DM, which means is direct message. That's example about how impact social media can change our language. Okay, the next I want talking about visual communication on social media. Let's we examine how visual elements such as image and emoji have become an important component of social media. How image can say more than word, and how emoji add an emotional dimension to message. We can using stickers and emoji for reaction, something or reaction about how we feeling. Example, when we watching sad video or we get bad information, that we can give emojis, sad emojis on the comment and chat. Visual communication is not just about that on visual communication, that we can use VN, VC, and call messenger. The first I will explain about that element visual. PN is voice note on social media that we can use for record our voice and send it to our friend or another people. And another people can hear our voice in that VN. Next is VC, which means video call. I think this is very good visual communication, because in video call that we can see our friend in real time and we can know what he did in there. And our friend know what we did in here. We can hear our friend voice and saw his face on camera. That's really good visual communication, I know. Although our friend in another country or in another region, that we can still can talk and see call messenger. I think that's very common, but on social media like Instagram and WhatsApp, that's very good call messenger. We can talk without limit, and the voice when calling is clear and loud. That's very nice. We can hear our friend voice and talking a lot of topic. It use real time too. Maybe that's all about visual communication on social media. And the last, I want to talking about positive influences and negative influences of using social media. Interpersonal communication, how it can make things easier for us, but also brings its own change. Positive influences of social media. The first is global connectivity. Social media facilities communication on a global scale, allowing individuals to connect with friends, family, colleagues worldwide, fostering a sense of global community. And the two is information sharing. When we're using social media platforms serve as powerful tools for disseminating using so many education content and update on various topics, promoting knowledge sharing. And then the next is business opportunity. That the positive influences that in social media that provides platform for business to reach a wider audience, advertise product or service, and engage with customer directly, contributing to business growth and success. And the last, the positive influences like education. Social media platform offer education. We can know about content, tutorial, and research, making learning more accessible to people around the world. It can complement, promote continuous learning. And about negative influences, the social media is the first is cyberbullying. Social media can be breeding ground for cyberbullying because the bullying is not good. Harassment or the threat online, negative infection, mental health and well-being. That's not good. And the two is privacy concerns. About this information on social media leading to privacy issue and the access or misuse of this information can result in identity or the security breach. And the three is social compression. Social media platform can fuel feelings of inadequacy as users compare their lives to others. The curated nature of content may lead to unrealistic standards and contribute to low self-esteem. Addiction and distraction, that's expressive use of social media can lead to additional, affective production and mental health. Constant noting and contribute to distract in daily life. And the last, for conclusion, I think the main point that we can learn about we must smart and wise for using internet because that's communication really helpfully for our future and for our communication. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for listening. I want to say thank you too for Miss Tati because gave this the last segment for us. I hope you always healthy and always happy. I'm Bambang Tri Putra. Say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.